One of my favourite things to eat is macaroni cheese.
Yes, but it's sort of, this is like the trouble with Maria. Do you know what I mean? Is the fact that you've got macaroni cheese and you've got it and it's cold, and what do you do with it? Because sometimes when you heat it up, it goes a bit gluggy.
Yes.
So I reckon mac and cheese bites.
Yeah, if we ever have any left over. I mean, we would never have this much left over in our house, which I just think is really funny.
But no, it is, yes. Well, I mean, that's about how much is usually left.
Yes.
And the rest of it's there. But anyway.
But if you've got leftovers, this is great. But not the healthiest, but really delicious.
Yes, but you do macaroni cheese, you can do rice, whatever you want to do. But we're going to make mac and cheese bites, which means we're going to crumb it. So we're going to set out flour, egg, and breadcrumbs.
Yep.
Can I leave that to you?
You can.
And I'll start to make up some little bites here.
Okay. What are you going to put in our bites?
Well, it depends. I quite like the thought of cheese in the centre.
Yeah.
Or it should be spicy, so something like chilies.
Lovely. So it's just like a little arancini.
Like an arancini, very good. Arancini simply means orange, a little orange, so it should be round and a little colour. That's what it means. So I've got some little chilies, I've got some leftover macaroni. Get a spoon, and you take a spoonful of your leftover mac, which is here, and you've sort of got to manipulate it a little bit, which means you're going to get a little bit messy, but that's okay. Put it in your hand and make a little sort of cup out of it. And once you've made a little cup out of it, put a bit of chilli in the centre. Yeah. And wrap the chilli inside your mac and cheese, and then you have a little surprise inside for when people eat it. And you do that, and then we're just going to put that in flour. So you make a little sort of ball.
Okay.
And you can do that with mozzarella or just chilli. It's entirely up to you.
Do you want me to get the mozzarella out?
Yeah, if you can, that'd be great. Thank you. So put that in flour, and just keep on making them. But it is a really good way of leftovers. And I also think sometimes for the youngsters, the little ones.
For the youngsters?
Well, it's a bit, because you get a little bit messy.
Yeah.
You know, the kids sort of quite like it. They like getting they sort of
think. That on there?
Yes, please. A bit of a game. You know, they can sort of play, but just sort of roll them up, and you can put anything you like inside at all. Okay. But it doesn't have to be hot; it'll just be cold.
How many eggs do you want in the egg wash? 2?
Just 1, please. Take a little bit of mozzarella maybe and break a bit out. But it doesn't matter if these are big or small. This is like, I've got a lovely bunch of coconuts.
Oh, that's big.
What? The mozzarella?
Yeah.
Well, it depends how much you put in, doesn't it, really? But you put some in, and if you've got a real problem with making them fold over, get us another bit of mac and cheese and put it on top. Because it's sort of, you know, like making a little mixture. And keep on making those all the way through.
I'm looking forward to these.
You're looking forward to them? I'm starving.
Yeah.
I mean, right now, we've had ribs, we've had cowboy breakfast, and we've had cornbread. I mean, it is America all the way. And this one, I'm going to do a little secret double. I've got cheese and a chilli.
I want that one.
You want this one?
Yeah, I want the chilli. So if you were having a little party,
yeah,
you could make all these in advance, have them in your fridge.
Yes.
All breadcrumbed up.
Yes.
And then just fry them before anybody comes.
That's it, yeah, fry them before they come. The other thing you can do, of course, is once they have been fried, they will hold their heat for quite a while.
Yeah.
So it's not too much of a problem. And actually, you...
Am I making enough noise?
You are. But you guys always like to eat things like cold sausage rolls, so I'm sure you'd be really happy with a cold macaroni cheese bite.
You guys?
You guys.
Who do you mean by you guys?
Well, you English
the
people.
Great British public that we're looking for.
Yes. Whereas I'm Australian, and we'd have to have it hot.
Are you? Are you an Aussie? I never knew that.
Well, I am. Yeah, I am an Aussie. Still an Aussie. Right. Keep on going those. Do one more. Then we're done. Sorry about leaning over you.
That's all right. It's fine. You smell nice.
Thank you. That's better than smelling bad, isn't it?
That John Torode, he stinks.
Right.
Right. There.
Let me do this. So I'll come and do this.
Look,
Wash
I've
my
done
hands.
these for you.
Thank you. I'm just going to rinse my hands off.
They're perfect now.
Fabulous.
Where would you be without me?
I don't know. To be really honest with you, I don't know where I'd be. I'd probably be, I don't know. I'd be very sad.
Come on.
Okay.
Come on, next.
So 1 wet hand, 1 dry hand.
So yes.
Egg. And then there's the breadcrumbs. And the easiest way to do them is to do all of them in egg first. Make sure there's plenty of egg around the outside. Have them at one end of your tray. And then keep on going. Oil's heating up. Put your panko breadcrumbs across the top. Pancakes, they'll stay crispy regardless of how long they've been cooked for. Use fresh breadcrumbs if you want to, but pancake works, I think, a treat.
And you can get them everywhere now, pancakes.
You can get them everywhere. Now, I'm going to do something a little bit cheeky here and sprinkle a bit of paprika over your breadcrumbs. And I like your little tip about your wooden spoon to see if the oil's hot.
Yeah, so put it in, drop it in, and if it fizzes around the spoon, which is just starting to, look.
Perfect.
It's pretty ready.
Perfect. So I'm only going to use a small amount of oil, not a huge amount, because I'm going to turn it over. So you just drop these in gently. And whilst those cook away, of course, you can't have mac and cheese bites without a little bit of sauce.
No, we need sauce.
Sauce. So I reckon, here's a really quick way of doing it. And I remember as a kid, my auntie Susan used to make this for prawns when we go travelling.
I've got an Auntie Susan.
And she used to take it with her. So she'd take, it's a mixture of mayonnaise, tomato ketchup, or tomato sauce as we called it, Worcestershire sauce, and Tabasco. And you put in any quantity you want. But you know that lovely pink of a Mari Rose?
Like a Mari Rose, prawn
cocktail sauce.
Yes,
So
lovely.
actually, if you want to make prawn cocktails for Christmas, this is the sauce.
Mayo, so we're going to have a nice dollop of mayo.
Oh, keep on going. That's it.
Keep on going. Is that all right? Do you want another one?
No, that's good.
Just a little one.
Yeah.
Then some ketchup. Keep on going.
Well, it depends if you want it red or pink. You know?
A little splash of Worcester.
It's the smell of Worcestershire sauce and Tabasco together. I always think Bloody Mary. It means we're going.
Oh, I do.
And we're going on a plane journey somewhere.
Yeah, well, you have to make me my Bloody Mary.
In fact, we should go on a plane. We can go to America. Oh no, Phil Vickery gets to do all that. He goes away to like Miami and places like that all the time.
Yes, you're always very jealous, aren't you? You're not happy in your own kitchen.
No, I'm really happy, and because I get to spend time with you, it's fine. But you know, Phil, give us a chance. Let me go to Miami one day.
Will that suit you, sir, or is that too pink?
No, that's gorgeous. And you just turn them over, and they go crispy on the bottom and around the outside. And inside here, you have got the magic of mac and cheese with more cheese and chili, all crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. The other thing is, because you do it like this, the mac and cheese, what have you just done then?
Added more.
Tabasco, because you like it spicy. And then, of course, because we're in America, we've got to have it sort of, imagine we've gone to the cafe after the rodeo.
The diner.
The diner after the rodeo.
Okay.
Yeehaw!
Oh, I love these.
I've got your basket.
Right, okay.
And just keep on letting them colour a bit more. They're going to take another minute or so. So about three minutes on each side.
Yeah.
And that's enough, just to make sure the colour happens. So when they're all cooked, then we just take them out and we serve them up. But you can't really eat them straight away because they're very, very, very hot.
They smell delicious. All that lovely paprika and seasoning. Great.
That's it. That's what it's all about. Go on.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
Yes. That's what you got. So you having the
Go on, you have that.
chilli bit?
Yes. I
Okay.
can see you want it.
Yeah. Oh, look at you, not even going to double dip, are you?
No, look, I thought I'd do this.
Go on. Put that there. Tough job. Anyway.